What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to my fourth episode of Yaya's Eats. Yes, you are seeing correctly. It is a cooking video on a Thursday. The movie review / movie analysis will be out on Saturday or possibly next week. Either way, you will get a video on Saturday. I'm not quite sure which one it's going to be. So today we are making black bean and poblano flautas. I got the recipe from Evelyn from the Internets. All of the recipes I've tried out from my last Yaya's Eats videos have all been from Evelyn from the Internets. I saw her making all of those recipes and thought, must replicate because they're all relatively healthy. They include no meat and they look very tasty and a little different from my usual rice every week. So yeah, I decided I was gonna test out every single one of them. So to a pan, I had added some frozen corn, which was just laying around in my freezer. I bought it a while ago with intentions of replicating this recipe at some point. Wasn't quite sure when. And once the corn had thawed enough, I added in my spices, black pepper, paprika, garlic salt, and then stirred everything together and then added just a little bit of lemon juice concentrate because again, I don't have real lemons or limes. And then once that was done, I poured it into a bowl and then added mayo, sour cream, Parmesan cheese, and a little bit of Tajin and mixed everything together. And then that was that for the moment while I got my beans ready. So the recipe for the beans just called for onions and bell peppers and a variety of other spices and obviously the black beans. So this was perfect timing because this bell pepper was getting a little wrinkled. So I had to use it because no waste over here. So to a pan, I added some olive oil. Once again, that is the basis for most of what I do. And then I threw in some chopped up onions. And then in went my green peppers, which I chopped off camera. And then my spices, garlic salt, my Old Bay, black pepper, a little bit of ginger powder, and then stir everything all up together and then let it simmer. Also, please forgive my voice. I just woke up as I am recording this. And so once I added on my beans, a can of beans, and let it cook, I mashed everything all up together, put that away, and now it was ready for my tortilla, which I like to toast up a little bit so it's a little bit crunchy. So to a pan, I added some butter and then put in my tortilla and let it just, pan sear for maybe about 5 minutes, and then smeared on my mashed beans. And then folded everything nicely together to create my flauta. And then laid everything nicely on my plates. And there you have it, guys. My side of creamy corn and my 2 black bean flautas, which I topped with sriracha sauce, sour cream, and salsa. When I tell y'all I was hyped for this lunch, y'all, I was so hyped and it was so good. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you do replicate it. And I will see you guys on Saturday. Bye.